This is the new and improved Extinguisher Deer Call. The Extinguisher Deer Calling System has been responsible for taking more 200-inch bucks and more trophy class whitetails than any other calling system in history. And the highest ever rating by a deer call with a 99.6% approval rating from the North American Hunting Club. With a slight movement of the finger, you can quickly and easily go from fawn to doe to buck. Everything you've ever experienced with the original Extinguisher, we've made a little bit better. The sound of the Extinguisher has a deeper grunt, a more guttural grunt. The tube, flexible tube, has the natural throat designs, and the slide system allows you to easily slide quietly back and forth, either to break a frozen reed loose or just to go from one sound to another. The Extinguisher allows you to create all the different tones and the different language of the white-tailed deer and the different genders of deer. It's available in matte black and camo finish. There's nothing else out there that compares to the Extinguisher.